How to install and use VN Video Editor on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get the app set up and start editing your first video. First, open the Play Store. After that, tap the search icon at the bottom center, then tap the search bar at the top and type in VN Video Editor. From there, tap on the app from the results. Make sure it's the one developed by Ubiquity Labs. Right here, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. Next up, once installed, tap Open to launch VN Video Editor for the first time. Moving on, grant any permissions the app asks for, such as access to your storage and media, so it can find your videos and photos. From here, once you're on the home screen, tap the plus icon to start a new project. After that, select the video clips or photos you want to edit from your gallery and tap the check mark to add them to the timeline. Following this, once your clips are on the timeline, you can tap on any clip to select it and access editing options at the bottom. Here you can trim, split, adjust speed, and more. Next, tap on Filters or Adjust at the bottom toolbar to color grade your footage and make it look exactly how you want. Moving on, tap on Audio to add background music or voiceover to your video. After that, tap on Text to add captions or titles anywhere on your video. Finally, once you're happy with your edit, tap the Export button at the top right to save your finished video to your gallery. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.